Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can set up your basic live stream for your content on YouTube and Facebook. So let's begin. First of all, you have to download the OBS Studio software and install it on your PC. After that, just make a scene here with the name of live like I have done by clicking on this plus button. Make a scene here, click on it, and first of all, what you have to do is to add the display capture and game capture. You can see the display capture here and game capture here. Just add it and adjust it according to your monitor, and it's so easy. I won't have to do it for you. Otherwise, I just cannot do it because it will just make my screen black and I won't be able to recording. So uh, after making these two, just ignore these two buttons, just focus on these sources. After doing this, if you want to add a starting intro for your live stream, just click on it, make a scene like starting with the starting intro and click OK. What you have to do now is to just go to your Windows Explorer, go to the video location. Simply what you will do is to click on the starting intro from the scenes and drag that video in this source box. I cannot show it to you because it will make my screen black, but I'm just doing it. Okay, so that's after clicking on the starting intro scene, your screen would not be adjusted automatically. So just hold shift key and move your cursor to adjust your screen like this. Now get back to the live. For the if you want to add your ending intro also, then make another scene, name it ending scene maybe, and do the same thing, drag that video in this source box. Okay, so we have both the ending video and the starting video adjusted with the shift key by holding shift key, and yeah, it's done. Okay, now we are done with the basic live stream. Okay, so now for these two chat box and alert box, go to the streamlabs.com, sign it with your Gmail and link it with your YouTube account. After doing that, go to the widgets, alert box, themes, whatever you want to add on your live stream, you can add it from here. So right now I'm clicking the chat box, so click on the widgets, chat box button. Okay, so from here you can also get the premium ones, but right now I am using the free one. You can also modify your chat box from here and click on the save settings. But now just click on, after doing that, click on this link. If you click this, it will be copied automatically. After doing that, or you can also copy it from here. Yeah, so after doing that, simply click on this plus button, go to the browser, name it chatbox, click on OK, and simply remove this URL and paste the one you copied from here. Just paste it here. I cannot reveal my right now, but yeah, you can just click simply copy and paste your URL here and click OK, and your chat box will be available on your live stream. You can adjust it by dragging it, like I usually use my chat box on the bottom right side. You can adjust it wherever you want. Well, so this is how you can set up your basic live stream. So that's all for now. Have a good day and bye bye. Take care of yourself.